Understanding garden zones and plant hardiness is crucial for successful gardening, as it helps you choose plants that are well suited to your specific climate and growing conditions. Garden zones and plant hardiness are determined by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, and are used as a reference to categorize plants based on their ability to survive winter cold temperatures. Let's explore these concepts in more detail. 1. Garden zones. Hardiness zones. Garden zones, also known as hardiness zones, are geographical regions that are defined by their average annual extreme minimum temperatures. The USDA has divided the United States into 13 zones, each representing a 10-degree Fahrenheit difference in average winter low temperatures. For example, Zone 1 has an average minimum temperature of 60 to 50 F, while Zone 13 has an average minimum temperature of 60 to 70 F. The garden zones help gardeners identify the coldest temperatures, their region experiences, and guide them in selecting plants that can withstand those conditions. The higher the zone number, the milder the winters, and the broader the range of plants that can thrive in that area. 2. Plant hardiness. Plant hardiness refers to a plant's ability to tolerate cold temperatures without suffering damage or death. Each plant species has its specific hardiness range, and it is usually listed with a zone number. For example, a plant labeled Asherdy to Zone 5 can survive winter temperatures down to Zone 5 and higher, but may struggle or die in colder zones. When choosing plants for your garden, check their hardiness zone to ensure they can withstand your region's winter temperatures. Planting species that are not suited to your zone may result in frost damage or death during cold periods. 3. Microclimates. While garden zones provide a general guideline for plant selection, it's essential to consider microclimates within your garden. Microclimates are localized areas within your garden that have slightly different temperature and growing conditions compared to the surrounding areas. Factors such as proximity to walls, buildings, water bodies, and slopes can create microclimates that influence plant survival. For example, a south-facing wall may create a warmer microclimate, allowing you to grow plants that are typically rated for a warmer zone. Similarly, a low-lying area may experience more frost than the rest of the garden. Understanding these microclimates can help you choose plants that are better adapted to your garden's specific conditions. Garden zones and plant hardiness are essential tools for gardeners to select plants that can thrive in their specific climate. By choosing plants suited to your zone and considering microclimates in your garden, you can create a successful and beautiful landscape that withstands the challenges of the local climate.